Alexa, play Yu-Gi-Oh! 5D's theme. Sorry for that. Alexa? I don't know what's happening. Anyway, the next Digimon we're drawing it's kind of a new assets that I've had planned and scheduled for quite some time. Haven't really mapped out how I'm gonna do this. I haven't even looked at this I haven't even looked at Plutomon for a long time. Plutomon, that's this guy we're drawing tonight, is supposed to be a boss-related Digimon. I haven't really learned much about it. I feel like he should be a fighter for Digimon Tamers, or at least Digimon Data Squad. It's really unpredictable where this guy came to be. Hey, Cabo? Buddy? What are you doing? Sorry, I don't know what Cabo's doing back there. Come back here, buddy. Come on, buddy. She's probably sniffing for something. Alexa, play Get Ready. Here are his legs. Kawa, don't eat those. Sorry about that. Dogs are plant eaters. Alright, next thing about this guy here. Wow, those are a lot of jaws. This guy kind of reminds you of Tactimon. And you know what? This guy should be Tactimon's evolved form. Yeah, that's worth something looking for. That should be something Tactimon should evolve into. After all, it took him like well, I don't know how many years to achieve the transformation that he is now. There should be an origin story about him. Yeah?
Where is she? Where is she? Cod, you want a piece of cheese? Where is she?
Let me just draw the tail here. Trust me, my friend. This just got better. are. Now we just draw this mark here. These are actually the jaws that are part of Plutomon's body design. These jaws are they're actually the special defense mechanism involving Plutomon.
This you're gonna clean. I can't deal with this. This is gross. This is so gross.
There we are.
Kyle's gonna do this now. Do I freak out on him? Let's go. Come here. Now. Clean the bottom of this garbage pail, like I've asked you 100 times.
Anyway,
Disgusting.
here are the magic aura that surrounds him. There we are. Now we just draw the black aura that surrounds it. There we are. And finally, we draw the cape. The cape is the last part of the Digimon's body design.
I don't want this open. Fix this.
Alright. There he is. Plutomon, check.